So, today, since busy ako talaga yesterday, hindi ako nakapag-unboxing ng aking mga gifts. So, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon. I'm so excited. So, mag-una yung mga cards muna. Cards, and alright, ito. To Ate Jo and Kuya Danny, happy birthday from Edgar, Alma, and Kazi. Wow, napakaganda naman. Oh, kaganda ng card. Napakaganda, oh. Napakaganda ng card. Napakaganda. Ayan, to Kuya Danny, Ate Jo, happy birthday to you both. We wish you happiness and good health and prosperity in your life. More birthdays to come. May God bless you both and your family as well. And Ate Jo, we are praying for your recovery. Always have faith in the Lord. For nothing is impossible with Him. With love much, Edgar, Alma, and Cassie. Ay, napakaganda naman. Ito, mayroong gift card pa. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan, may gift card pa siya na $50. Ang ganda ng card. Alright. Next. Happy birthday, Tita Jo, sister, from Nerik, Jassy, and Sister Edna. Taran! Thank you, Sister Edna. Ayan, meron na naman akong $100. Oh, ito, no name. For a mother who means so much. Oh, wow! From Ging and Patrick. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $100 US. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan. To Ate Jo from Rochelle. Tingnan natin itong bigay ni Rochelle. Birthday! Ayan! To Ate Jo, I wish you hope and healing. Be strong and have faith. God knows your heart desire. Always remember you're not alone in this battle. Your family and friends are always with you. Happy birthday. God bless. Love, Rochelle. Meron na naman akong gift card. Ayan, $50. Ayan. Thank you, Shell. Ito, saan ka ito? Walang name din. I'm so excited. For a special friend, ayan, happy birthday, Joe, with love, the mulberries. Ayan, yung kapitbahay namin, mayroong Tim Hortons na card. Ayan, may binigay na Tim's card. Ayan, thank you, neighbor. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you, neighbor. And of course, to my beautiful mother, happy birthday to you. I love you from your son. Oh, OMG. Tingnan natin ano ito. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, Kuya Homer. Ayan, I love you. Thank you. $500. Thank you. Happy birthday. Celebrate in the... Oh my. Josephine, wishing you a day as wonderful as you are. Happy birthday, love. Ghislaine and Bob, another $100. Thank you, Mother Ghislaine. Wow, I'm so blessed. I have lots of gifts. So, yun ang mga cards na na-receive ko, guys. Ngayon, pupunta na naman tayo dito sa itong malaki muna. Ano ba itong? Ito oh. This is from Ara. Ayun po, ano kaya ito? Ano ito? Ay, wow. Ano ito? Wala mo ito. Scissors. Mamaya na lang. Wala akong scissors dito na hawak. And ito from Maring. Thank you so much. Ayan, from Maring. Thank you, thank you. Ito galing kay Mars ko. Thank you so much. Mars, thank you so much. Happy birthday, Tita Jo. God bless you. Ayen and Klein. Thank you so much. Tingnan natin anong laman dito. Ano ba buksan to? Paint by, oh, wow, gusto ko ito. Mag-paint na naman ako. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, meron pa, oh. Ay, Lala Lemon. Thank you, Ayin. And Klein, thank you. To Sis Jo, happy birthday from Sis Alice. Ay na, another 50. Wow, to Sis Jo from Sis Alice. God bless you always. Love, Sis Alice and Pare Manuel. Thank you. Ang dami ng mga regalo nyo. Uy. Thank you, thank you. Meron pa akong, ano, Sis Alice, thank you talaga. Sobra-sobra na talaga ito. Ayan, may Lululemon pa ako na, ano na naman. Thank you. Ito naman, ayan, Lululemon again from Daisy and Jonathan. Thank you. Thank you guys. Ito naman from, ano, nahulog na. Happy birthday, Tita Jo. Love, Casey and Jason. Wow. Wala akong scissor dito. Uy, ang cute naman. Ay, cute. Ang cute naman. Oh. Ang cute naman. Ayan. Thank you, Casey and Jason. Ito pa. Wow. Thank you. So, yung kay Ara, hindi ko nabuksan kasi walang scissor kung ano yun siya. So, ayan, ay, pala yung kay sis, Lina. Ito, may bulaklak pa pala. Ayan, oh. Ayan, thank you, sis Lina. Thank you. I love you guys and may God bless us all. Bye. Thank you, thank you. I'm so happy. I love you all.